So here's the number one thing that I'd say about this. More aliases equals more time required. The more aliases you have, the more time you will need to put into this outside of the studio. 2 or more brands to build. 2 or more sets of relationships to build, nurture, to create. 2 or more sets of release schedules possibly to live up to. 2 or more sets of fan building. 2 or more sets of marketing. Check out episode number 63, which was called Should You Be Spending Your Valuable Time Building a Social Media Following? If you want to get a handle on this, if you haven't started that already. One of the big takeaways from that is consistency is king. You have to be consistent. It's no good saying, right, I've got 2 aliases and my techno one, like I've been banging away at that for 6 months and building my fan base and posting regularly, and now I'm going to like lean into my ambient stuff for 6 months. If your page is dead for 6 months on the techno alias, people will leave. And people will not sign up. Do you sign up? Do you follow people? Do you like people if you look at their page and they haven't been on there for 6 months, even 3 months? Consistency is king. Momentum is everything. So it goes without saying, it's easier to release one style of music under one alias than multiple styles under multiple aliases. I don't know. You tell me. You be the judge.